To make Ooblek, you will need cornstarch and water. You will need 2 parts of cornstarch to 1 part of water. Today, we will be using 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. Feel free to add in some food coloring. Mix everything together until there are no lumps. You have now made Ooblek. You can continue playing with it in a bowl, or you can do more with it. Try putting it into a balloon to create a stress ball. So why does Ooblek behave like a solid and a liquid? When you apply more force to Ooblek, it behaves like a solid. This is because the pressure pushes all of the cornstarch particles together. And when you don't apply pressure to it, the particles are able to release and behave like a liquid. Have fun exploring with Ooblek, and as always, happy sciencing!